Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide profile photo for everyone in WhatsApp. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide profile photo for everyone in WhatsApp, go to your WhatsApp, click on three dot icon on upper right corner. Now click on settings, go to privacy. Here you will find profile photo and by default everyone is selected. Now go to profile photo and look, everyone is selected now. Now I need to select nobody. That's why I want to hide my profile photo for everyone. Okay, now select nobody. Now nobody will see my profile photo in WhatsApp. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.